Hello students, I hope that all of you are well at home. So in the previous video, I requested to all of you to do this exercise or solve these questions, and these questions were given from the comprehension passage. So now I am going to discuss with you the answers. The first question was, name 4 countries where jute is cultivated on a large scale. So jute is cultivated on a large scale in Brazil, Mexico, Japan, Bangladesh. What is the industrial importance of jute and why? As an industrial crop, jute is quite cheap crop to cultivate, and in importance it is next to cotton. What do you mean by the word eco-friendly? Are the jute goods eco-friendly? Yes, the jute goods are eco-friendly. Eco-friendly means something that helps to maintain the balance of ecosystem of nature. So, eco-friendly means the thing which are not harmful for our environment. Name a few goods made from jute. Bags, ropes, sacks are some goods, and these goods are made from jute. How is jute useful for us? Jute is useful for us because we can use jute to make several eco-friendly products. Why do we use the white stalks of jute? We use white stalks of jute mainly in rural areas as fuel and material for walling or fencing. Jute buds and lower ends of jute stalks are used in paper making. About 4 million farming families are engaged in the cultivation of jute in India. So I have discussed the answers with you. I hope that all of you have done it well. So now today's chapter or today's topic is gender. Gender is defined as a classification of a noun or pronoun as masculine, feminine, or neuter gender. So what are the 4 genders? Masculine, then feminine, or neuter. First one is masculine, then the second one is feminine, then common gender, and then neuter gender. What is masculine gender then? A noun that denotes a male is said to be of the masculine gender. For example, boy, brother, king, horse, etc. Feminine, a noun that denotes a female is said to be of the feminine gender. For example, girl, sister, mayor, queen. Common gender, a noun that denotes either a male or female is said to be of the common gender. For example, parent, child, friend, student. Now neuter, a noun that denotes a thing that is neither male nor female, that is a thing without life, is said to be of the neuter gender. For example, book, pen, etc. Now I am going to discuss with you some rules of changing genders with examples. The first one, we can change the gender by using an entirely different word. For example, block will be heifer, monk will be nun, hot will be row, man will be woman. We can also change the gender by adding a syllable like ESS, INE, TRIX, A, etc. As author will become authoress, songster will become songstress, duke will become duchess, waiter will become waitress, czar will become czarina, fox, vixen, sultan, sultana, senior will become seniora, testator, testratrix, administrator, administratrix, executor, executrix, prosecutor, prosecutrix. We can also change the gender by changing the masculine word of a compound word. Bridegroom, bride, landlord, landlady. I hope that all of you understand it well, and if you are having any query, any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply you. Now you have to do one task in your copy, that is read the passage and change the genders. Mr. Roy is a teacher. He teaches me English. He has 2 sons. One of them is a poet. He has a pet peacock. His uncle is a doctor. Here it will be uncle. The S is cut over here. His uncle is a doctor. He is a widow. His grandfather is a landlord and his son-in-law is a hunter. And his stepsister is an actress. So please do this one in your copy. Read the passage carefully and then change the genders. Now the next topic is number. All of you know about number. How many numbers are there? Singular number and plural number. So what is singular number? A noun that denotes one person or thing is said to be in the singular number. Plural. A noun that denotes more than one person or thing is said to be in the plural number. Now, how plurals are formed? The rules. The plural of nouns is generally formed by adding s to the singular number. Like book, in the plural form it will become books. Second rule. Nouns ending in s, sh, ch or x form the plural by adding es to the singular. Class will become classes. Brush ending sh will become brushes. Watch will become watches. Box will become boxes. Now number 3. Most nouns ending in o also form the plural by adding es to the singular. Mango, mangoes, eco, ecos. Number 4. Nouns ending in y preceded by consonant form their plural by changing y into I and by adding es. Like baby. Here the ending alphabet here is y and it is preceded by a consonant b. So here the y will change into I and after that we will add es. So baby becomes babies. Army becomes armies. Nouns ending in f or fe form their plural by changing f or fe into v and adding es. So thief will become thieves, wife will become wives. A few nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel of the singular. Goose, geese, louse, lease. Some nouns are used only in the plural form. Like names of, this is names of instruments which have 2 parts. Again I am repeating, this is written names of instruments which have 2 parts forming a kind of pair. So these nouns are used only in the plural form. Like Caesar, spectacles. So these nouns, the names of these instruments, these are used only as plural forms. Names of certain articles of dress like trousers, jeans. These are also used in the plural form. Some nouns originally singular are now generally used in the plural like aunts, aves, etc. The following nouns look plural but are in fact singular. Like the subjects mathematics, physics. It looked like that the subject physics, it's a plural form but no, it's a singular number. Mathematics same thing, physics same thing. It looks like that as s in the end, so you can think that mathematics, physics or electronics, these are plural numbers or plural forms, but actually these nouns look plural but in fact they are singular. The word news, same thing. You may think that s in the end, that means it's a plural form, it is in the plural form, but no, it is actually in the singular form. News is a singular word. Names of some common disease like mumps, rickets. You can see that as the name of this disease and in the ending you can get s, so you may think that it's plural but no, It looked plural, but actually it's singular. Names of some games like billiards, draughts. You may think that then as at the ending or as in the ending we can get s, so it's plural, but no, actually it's singular. So billiards, draughts, the names of these games, these are actually fall into the category of singular number. A compound noun generally forms its plural by adding s to the principal word. Passerby, passers-by. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. Now the last one. Abstract nouns have no plural forms. Again I am repeating. Abstract nouns have no plural forms. For example, like hope, charity, etc. So students, please study these rules very carefully at home and please stay inside your home. Thank you very much.